I'm Henry Tufo. I'm from the National Center for Atmospheric Research and the University of Colorado at Boulder. My job primarily is to run the research computing environment at both organizations. And that entails a whole series of things, but primarily it's provisioning of compute resources, networking and storage resources. And one of the things that's occurring now in our business is we're moving away from batch processing to more workflow-based processing for our science applications. And one of the things that we've tried to do recently is to bring together all the resources that we have on the Front Range at the University of Colorado, NCAR, and our partners into a research network so that we could actually take these workflows and move them across our distributed infrastructure. And one of the things that's been important in that is having a networking partner that can provide the technology that's required to build that infrastructure. Obviously, we're at a university and a federally funded research and development center, so cost is a primary issue for us. Arista competes exceedingly well on that front. The other aspect is, we're researchers. Flexibility of the product, the ability to have an extensible operating system, to be able to listen to us about what our needs are. These are all very important factors in allowing us to work well with Arista to solve our problems. Recently, we put together a system that'll have about 1,400 individual servers. It's all tightly integrated. Having switches of this size is absolutely critical to building those kind of fabrics to support those computations. The fact that it has low latency, cost per port is low, there's large numbers of ports in any given enclosure. The power considerations are also tremendously important for us. Again, we operate in a constrained environment, both in terms of space but as well as power. And bringing on systems with this kind of density at these price points just gives us another option for designing these systems. The other nice thing about it is remember, most of our other fabric is Ethernet-based fabric. This gives us an opportunity to build end-to-end Ethernet-based solutions instead of doing InfiniBand or some other technology for those interconnects. Forget the price, forget the fact that it's a novel architecture to open things up at the operating system level. I think one of the biggest issues that's been important to us is we like to work closely together with companies on the research side of the house. Really a good give and take, listening to what their customers need, trying to get involved in the problems that we're trying to solve and figure out how it fits in with their other customers' needs and their roadmap. Many companies, that's hard to get through. There are just too many layers. And one of the nice things about Arista is those layers aren't there. Very direct access to the engineers, to Andy, etc. I think it's a tremendously important thing for our organization to have that kind of access.